Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of sassyover55.com. It is a skincare website. It's all about achieving beautiful skin. I have used so many products over the years, and everything that's on this website is things that I've used and things that have made a huge difference on my skin. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick tour of the website. Of course, here you do have the search button. This blue button right here is going to take you to my YouTube videos. Here you do have the loyalty and giveaway that's now open. We're going to get back to that in a second. And of course, on this side, we do have my affiliates. There are tons of them. You click that button, it's going to take you straight to the affiliates page. And of course, if you want to donate, you can do that. However amount would be totally welcome. And of course, here are a few photos of myself. These photos will be changed because I do have a photo shoot coming up and it's going to look a lot different. So let's just continue the tour. A little bit about me. Here, when you click this little button, you're going to find me on Sephora. And just how to start your skincare journey to achieve clearer skin. Some recommendations here for you, tip sheets as well. Body creams that will get rid of the cellulite and the crow's feet and the dryness on your skin. This brand is top notch. Check it out on my website. And I'm talking about masking here and giving you some recommendations. Here is a Dove body product as well. You would have seen this on Instagram. It is a body scrub. And of course, I do have a still photo of this on that side. Here you do have face towels. You would have seen this probably on Instagram. When you click shop here, it's going to take you straight to Amazon to get these beautiful, gorgeous face towels. And when you click on this link, it's going to take you a link to Walmart. And these face towels are only 97 cents. You're going to find them at Walmart. And of course, here you're going to see some ideas and suggestions for cleansers. My sassy summer picks. Here you're going to see my latest YouTube videos. And of course, when you click this link, it's going to give you a list of products that I've used on my skin to achieve this beautiful, flawless makeup look. Here are my lashes. They are limited stock, so you can click and buy right here. You can also send me an email if you want anything as well. And these are a list of some of the beautiful ladies that had done the reviews for me. So they, of course, their channels is also linked on my website. Here are a few of my favorite things that are listed. And of course, to the bottom is my social media feed. Whenever I upload on my Instagram, it automatically comes to my website. And of course, here are a list of my favorite things, of my favorite beauty looks, pardon me. So let's just go back to the top. We do have the loyalty and giveaway section that's now open. When you get to the page, you just click this button and it's going to take you to the loyalty and giveaway that's now open. And as you can see, it's going to run until December the 16th. Every month we are going to be giving away a few things to some of you guys, just to say thank you for supporting our my channel and for supporting our website. It is an amazing, beautiful website. When you click, I'm just going back to the home page, but when you click here on my blog, you are going to see everything that I've listed, that I've used. Everything is actually on my blog. You guys will love this website. You don't have to really do anything. Just go in, take a look around, leave a comment, and that's all you need to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this little tour. Please take advantage. The loyalty and giveaway is open, and I am going to choose every single person to give them something. Well, not every single person, but 10 people will be getting something for the month of July. And as of August, it's going to be one subscriber a month until December 16th. We are going to be giving away something to everybody. So I hope you guys enjoy this little tour. Stay tuned to sassyover55.com for more giveaways and skincare and beauty tips. And of course, the website is monetized, which really makes me so happy. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Toodles!